Hi, welcome to Project Tips. I'm Homer.
And I'm Alyson from Alyson Tired You.
Today we are going to make my favorite recipe and my favorite cake, the ice box cake. And Alyson likes it too. This recipe comes from my mother, and that recipe comes from her mother also. So this is a hand down recipe from my grandmother to my mother, then to me. Next time you'll make it for yourself, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now our ingredients here is that we need the graham crackers. We need the crushed graham crackers. And we need 6 eggs. This is separated egg yolk and the egg white. Okay? Because we need to beat the egg white so that it will become fluffy. Then we can mix it together later on. And this is 1 cup of sugar. You can use refined sugar or you can use brown sugar. It's up to you. You can. This is 6 teaspoons of Hershey's cocoa. Okay, and 1 slab of butter. This is unsalted. It's around 225 grams. And you will be needing flavoring if you like flavoring. This is a banana flavor. No, Alyson, this is a banana flavor.
Banana flavor.
Yes, okay. All you need is a spatula and a mixing bowl just to put your egg whites here. Then later on we are going to mix everything here in this big bowl.
Big.
Okay, now on this side is I laid down the graham crackers. It's 4 layers. Before, the graham crackers are longer, but this time on, when I buy graham crackers in this kind of packaging, it's shorter. So I added 1 piece here so that it will become wider. Okay. Now let us start by beating up the egg whites. Okay. We will push it up. Yes, Alyson, you can put it in. Hold properly. Okay. Now we can put this aside. Then we put this one in lock. Okay, it's locked. We can turn it on. Okay. This will take around several minutes. Alyson is enjoying because the table is moving. It's like an earthquake here. The table is like having an earthquake, Alyson? As you can see, I should have another camera here. The egg white is starting to grow in volume. So later I will let you know when it's time to stop mixing or beating. So right now we are going to check if it's good enough or not. So turn it off first. Then we will unlock this one. Okay, so far it's not yet enough. So we will mix more. Alyson, does it look like a snow?
Yes. A foamy snow.
A foamy snow?
Yes.
Okay, I think this is enough. We can take this out. As you can see, this is it. No, it will not fall down. So we'll just put this here in the bowl. Now we are going to use this one. But we have to do it quick before this one melts again into liquid. Before, me and my mom will used to argue with this. My mom said, quick, it's starting to melt. And I'm slow. My mom is quick, but I'm slow. Okay, we will just put it here, and we will use this bowl to beat the butter and put in the other ingredients. This is the unsalted butter. No specific butter. If you like Anchor, it's nice. I like this one. As long as it's unsalted, but I have used salted before. It's still okay. I think there's just a little variance, but I cannot tell you.
What?
For me, everything is okay as long as it's butter. Right, Alyson?
Yes.
We'll just fold this one here, and we will just beat up a little so that it should be melted, but not liquidy. Now, as we are mixing the butter, we will put the ingredients one by one, little by little. And I use this. We will add the egg, one egg yolk at a time, so that there will be enough liquid to dissolve the sugar and the cocoa powder. During this time, you can turn it off and on and use the spatula, but I prefer to put this up. I scrape them to the center. And all the cocoa powder. Ooh.
Now you take the step.
I have not used chocolate bar here. I always use the Hershey cocoa powder. Next time, Alyson will do this for me, and I will just be sitting down and enjoying it. Now, Alyson? Okay? Oh, she said okay. We will add some banana flavor. Let's put the sugar. Have you tried the banana?
Yes.
I like banana. That's why I put banana. Sometimes I use vanilla. Or if you like coffee, you can put 2 to 3 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee is a little bit bitter. You have to add sugar to compensate the taste, so that the cake will still be sweet. Okay. This is enough already. You can take this out and scrape all the. Can you move it to the other side?
Okay.
Now we'll take this out here. Put this here. And now we are going to mix the egg white. When we are going to mix this one, we have to be very fast, or else this one will become liquid again. Now we don't use the beater or the mixer to mix this one. Now we are going to fold this one. Now this one is ready. Okay. We will put this one here. I will layer it one by one. It's like making lasagna or ice cream sandwich. I use foil here because foil helps to cool it fast. Before I tried to use a plastic container. I don't know, maybe it's just in the mind, it does not taste good. Maybe it's because we used to do it this way, so I find it more delicious. The reason why I put another small piece because I just want to make it longer. Because previously the graham crackers are longer. Right now it's shorter. If you think that the ingredients is sweet, next time you can less sugar to compensate the taste. Now we are doing the top portion. If my mom is here, then quick! It's starting to fall down. It's okay. Right, we have time. Now the fun part begins, the crushed butter. We just pour it all over the top. But sometimes the sides, I just put it in my hand. Just do this. You have other ways? That's the fun part here. Okay, last one here. So. That's it. And just want to wrap this up. So I use 2 wrappers here. First I will do this one and cover it. Then the other one. But don't push it so hard so that the cake will not become pressed. So it will maintain its form. This is it. Now it's time to put it in the freezer. I hope we have room in the freezer.
Kukunin na natin yung icebox cake. Where is it? Dito na po. This is the icebox cake. It's hard and solid, okay? Wow. And Alyson is very excited.
Now we are going to reveal our icebox cake. Alyson, are you excited?
Yes.
We are now going to what? Reveal our
icebox
cake. This is the icebox cake we made yesterday, and now we are going to reveal it. I think Alyson is excited to eat, right?
Yeah.
So let's open it tomorrow na lang.
No.
No, okay. Let's open it. Wow. This is the icebox cake. I think it folded a little, but that's okay. Okay.
And so many crumbs fell off. Look how many crumbs fell off.
Yeah, how many crumbs fell off?
Look. Yeah, but look. Look how many crumbs fell off.
Wow. So rich. Mm.
It looks like a plum.
Okay. This is the icebox cake. Now we are going to cut it.
Just a little lang, ha?
Just a little?
Big. I want big.
I think we'll just leave a little.
Yes.
Yes?
For Alyson, little lang kasi Alyson is small pa.
Okay, this is how we eat.
Slice it.
I think this one is for Alyson. Alyson, this is for you.
Thank you.
And mommy, do you like?
Later.
Later? This is for me.
Enough.
That's enough? That is enough just for the review. Later we are going to eat more. Okay? As you can see, this is how it looks, okay? Now we are going to taste.
How was it?
How was it, Alyson?
Yummy. Yummy.
No more na.
I can taste the banana essence or the banana flavor. And I can also taste the chocolate from the Hershey's cocoa powder.
How about Alyson? What?
I can taste it.
What?
What can you taste?
The cocoa powder and the banana.
The cocoa powder and the banana.
How about the cracker?
Yes.
When eaten together, what?
Yummy.
Perfect.
Is it perfect? How do you rate from 1 to 5? Is it
How
1
many
or 5?
stars?
How many stars?
5.
5?
Stars.
Wow.
Wow. You have a big fan here, Papa.
Yeah, thank you. And I'm just going to finish this one.
Lots of water, huh?
So 5.
Can I have one more?
Wait, tomorrow na.
Tomorrow na?
Just
Okay.
one every day.
We're just going to close this box.
And put it back in the fridge.
And tomorrow we can eat it again.
So hot.
So hot, we are going to keep it before it melts. The only problem with icebox cake is you have to keep it frozen. In our country, here in the Philippines, when you take this out, in just a few minutes, it will melt. So it's better to
Put it in the fridge
slice it, take your piece and put it back in the freezer
as quick as you can.
as quick as you can so that it will stay frozen as long as possible. Okay? I hope you like our video and enjoy. And I like the outcome of the icebox cake. It's good. Maybe next time we'll make more. And if you like, you can ask us for it. Okay? Thank you for watching. I'm Homer from Project Tips.
And I'm Alyson from Alyson.
Thank you very much. See you again on our next video.